6 years after the previous generation, Cartier returns with a smarter, sharper answer to changing tastes. Oversized sports watches are fading. Collectors now want refinement, comfort, and proportions that work every day. And Cartier listened. This is the new generation Santos de Cartier Chronograph for 2026. Smaller, thinner, redesigned. Still unmistakably Santos, only now better on the wrist. The biggest story starts with the case. What was once an XL chronograph is now rebalanced into a large model. The new case measures 39.8 millimeters wide, 47.5 millimeters lug to lug, and just 11.6 millimeters thick. That may sound like numbers on paper, but on the wrist, it changes everything. The watch still has presence, still carries that bold, square Santos identity, but now wears with far more comfort and versatility. Even on slimmer wrists, it feels right at home. Cartier also reworked one of the most controversial details of the previous model. The unusual pusher placement is gone. In its place is a classic and intuitive 2-button chronograph layout. Start and stop at 2 o'clock, reset at 4 o'clock. Simple, functional, familiar. The rest remains true Santos. A satin-finished case, polished bezels, signature exposed screws on the bezel, and a curved profile that hugs the wrist naturally. Plus 100 meters of water resistance, giving it true everyday sports watch capability. The new collection launches in 3 versions. First, the most classic, full stainless steel. Second, a steel and yellow gold model with precious accents on the bezel and bracelet screws. Both include a steel bracelet and an additional black rubber strap. Then, at the top of the range, a full 18-karat yellow gold edition paired with a matching gold bracelet and dark gray alligator strap. Even the crown details are elevated, with the gold version receiving a genuine sapphire cabochon. The dial has evolved too. Still a 3-register chronograph with date at 6 o'clock, but now the running seconds counter takes visual priority while the chronograph counters become more balanced. The result is a cleaner, more harmonious face. Finishing has also stepped up. Vertical brushing across the center, sunray brushing on the chapter ring, classic Cartier Roman numerals, and metallic rings framing each subdial for added depth and contrast. It feels richer, sharper, and easier to read. Inside, Cartier keeps the proven caliber 1904 CH Museum, an automatic integrated chronograph movement with a column wheel, vertical clutch, and 4 Hz frequency. Reliable, modern, and refined. Power reserve stands at 47 hours. Practicality remains a key strength. The bracelet uses Cartier's Smart Link system for tool-free sizing, and Quick Switch lets you swap between bracelet, rubber, or leather straps in seconds. The new Santos de Cartier Chronograph launches in the permanent collection in June 2026. Pricing starts at €12,000 in steel, €15,000 for steel and gold, and €60,000 in full yellow gold. This isn't a radical reinvention. It's something better, a thoughtful correction, a chronograph that keeps everything people love about the Santos and improves everything they wanted changed. The Santos Chronograph, now exactly the size it should have been.